All right, we've got our next book, My Letter Workbook for letter Q. So first thing we do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. You should be getting so good at writing your name. Excuse me. All right, we've got our Q. We've got to decorate first. Let's see. You can just decorate it however you want today. Maybe I'll do dots. And then some other dots. That's easy. And then some crayons on top with a different color, so you can really see your dots. And then we're gonna go on our Q hunt, which again, so easy, right? Pick 2 colors, capital Qs. There's just 2 of them. 1, 2. Lowercase q. There are 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Boy, do I like that purple. I didn't know I had that color. All right, and then easy peasy lemon squeezy, just tracing. So Q's are written with a splash and then a little clack for capital. Splash, clack, splash, clack, splash, clack, splash, clack. And then we have a quarter there. A quarter starts with Q. A quarter is different than a penny. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So for a Q, you're gonna wanna do the circle first, then the line down, and then it has a little point today. Sometimes it has a point, sometimes a lowercase q can have a curve like that, or sometimes it can just be straight and it looks like a 9. Sorry. All right, press pause if you need to finish that. And we're gonna move on to our puzzle. So, I'm gonna use my crayons because it's gonna be easier to cut and glue when you use crayons than it is if you were to use a marker. And you're only coloring in the lines for your Q. If you color the whole thing, the puzzle will be more tricky to put together. So just color your letter shape. And, oh, this Q looks like the 9. It doesn't have the curve or the point on the end of it. So 9s and Qs can look the same. But we know it's not a 9 because we're doing a letter page, right? A 9 is a number. This isn't a number page, it's a letter page. All right, press pause if you need to finish. When you're ready, cut them apart, right? Save this piece for tomorrow, and then we can get started cutting out our shapes. All right, I'm gonna cut this one out in a minute. So first I'm gonna start with my capital Q. Oh, looks like it might be a tricky puzzle. Tricky, tricky. And then first we're gonna set it up, right? So set it up over here so we know what it's gonna look like when we glue it over here. So we kind of got to find those corner pieces first. And I know that a lowercase q is going to have the little part that sticks out in the bottom corner over on this side. And then I'm just going to have to figure out. So that looks good for that side. This one looks like it goes there, right? Because that little piece. This one, I think you turn. Sometimes you have to turn them. And then this one goes down there. Looks pretty good. Remember, if you need help, this is a little bit hard. So if you need help, I'm sure you could ask a grown-up that's with you. Say, can you help me put this puzzle together? It's tricky. And then I'm just gonna match them where they go in order. All right, looks good. Then you can cut, when you're ready, cut apart your lowercase q. All right, then let's see, I'm gonna set it up on top. I'm gonna actually set it up over here so we can see it. Now I know the line on my Q is gonna be on this side, the line going down, right? It's gonna be over here. So that helps me to figure out where everything goes. There we go. All right. Oopsie. Remember, it's okay to ask for help on this. It's a little bit hard. And when you're done, I want you to do your writing at the bottom. It's going to be a pattern. So it's going to be capital Q, lowercase q. 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 All right, press pause if you need to finish that.